So there's rain forecast for this weekend starting this morning, and I bet you I will find Scott outside.
You're recording right now?
I've been caught out too many times forgetting to clear the gutters before rain. I'm going to get up and clean those gutters. Good thing I did. We've got rain coming this week, quite a bit of it hopefully, because we want to fill our tanks. It's the inaugural lighting of the fire for the first time this winter. Ah, the serenity.
Not a sound.
Not a sound. And we even got one of these little things. Finally, we've got some rain. We've had very little rain over the last 12 months, so it's good to get any rain. It's cooled right down. Got the fire on inside, nice and cozy.